Imagine transforming just 2 hours of your day into a six-figure income. It sounds incredible, but it's absolutely achievable. We're talking about earning $900 a day with an automated online business that fits perfectly into your busy life. This isn't just a promise, it's a reality for countless individuals across the USA and around the globe. The best part? You're not just getting a plan. You're embracing a way of life that can bring you financial freedom and personal fulfillment. The value you receive here is unmatchable, giving you the tools and insights to create a thriving income stream while still enjoying your everyday life. This is your chance to invest in a future where your dreams of financial stability and flexibility can come true. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to reshape your life and achieve your goals. Let's make it happen together. Take care and have a great day.